What's up, guys? It's Tierra time, and the time has come to harvest these potatoes that I planted in April. September now, I planted them mid-April, and you know they're ready when the foliage is dead on top. It's just a little drop of green, but this is pretty much dead. So I know they're ready. I've been wanting to film this for months now, and we're finally finna film it. I just dragged this heavy-ass sweet potato thing from across the garden. So I gotta stand up for this and stop being lazy. I'm dumping it into the pool. Let's see how many potatoes we got. Ooh, I see one already. These are fingerling potatoes, so they're pretty small. Here's one, two, a little baby, three. Okay, I was expecting these to be bigger. But at this point, we got what we got. Is this a rock or is this a potato? 4 or 5. 6, 7. Got some little baby potatoes, but yeah, they were pretty small. Like I said, the fingerling kinds. And they were store-bought. There's potatoes that I had in the cabinet that sprouted. Let me sit down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little potato. Some of them are gonna be purple. 8, we got a big one. 9, here go purple, my first purple one. 10. Oh wow, this is so fun. I always watch these videos on YouTube and was always curious. Like, I just love the process of how it looks. And I guess I'm digging through a lot of little roly-polies. They're like, what the fuck? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh wow, these are tiny little. This is probably the biggest one. 15. Like I said, they're the fingerling kind, so. 16. This is just abundance. Praise God for this. The ancestors, everybody involved. Oh wow, centipedes running through there. 16, 17, or was it 18, 19, 20, wow, 21, 22, 23, these are all purple. 23, ooh, big one, this is probably the biggest one. 24, is it on this vine? Yep, like I said, once it looks like this, those potatoes are done all they're gonna do. They're only gonna get that big probably at that point once they look like that. What is, I'm on 20? I'm losing count, y'all. Correct me in the comments if I counted over a little bit. 20, we're gonna just say that's what it is. Oh no, I don't see anymore. 20. I was expecting about 30. That was my expectancy. I should have said that at the beginning. 21. This one is rotten, which I thought that was going to happen. That's why I went on. I said, let me get to this because I seen the foliage dying at the beginning of the month, or maybe August. And I'm like, let me get to this shit before it rots. So what I'm at, the 21. Oh wow, I don't see any more, guys. But we had an abundant, that's a very abundant harvest right there. I probably only planted, ooh, this is probably the biggest one. 22. I probably only planted just about that much, probably like a good 20 in there. 20, what was it, 2, ADHD, 2, 3. That's why I kind of wanted to wait till somebody helped me with this so they can keep count with me. What's that, 24, 25, 26, 26. What else? Come on now, I know it's some old. Flip that around. 26. 27, 28. This is very premature with the roots still on it. And this one too. Can you even eat them when they get there halfway ready like that? I mean, they're going to be smaller than the regular potato anyway. But I'm just curious. What was that? 27? What was it? It's fucking ridiculous how I'm losing count. Maybe I should shut the fuck up. 28, 29. I'm just going to say we're knocking 30 here. These roly-polies are like not even bothering me, baby. I'm trying to get to this harvest. What is this? Is this a rock or is this a potato? Calcified ass potato. That's a rock, I think. I put all types of stuff in here, pine needles and a lot of stuff to kind of protect it, because I forgot to put the sheet in it first. So if you're gonna do this method next year, we're gonna film a whole video doing it the proper way. But you can definitely plant potatoes like this. So was that 29? Not seeing any more, guys. Oh no. That's about it. That's exactly my estimate. About 30 potatoes. It's about how much I was expecting. And that's one whole bag of potato. Actually more than you would get in a little bag from the grocery store. So now that I think we got everyone here. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. I'm trying to be hopeful that I'll find at least like 3 more, but that's it. So about 29 potatoes. Let me show you guys. So that's our harvest, and it's been since April, and I'm just very proud of that. So yep, purple and small, all fingerling potatoes. So I think next year I'm gonna grow regular potatoes, and I'm gonna do this project again and film it and put the sheet over it. Like I said, this is my old dirty clothes hamper. Just filled it up with cow manure and topsoil. Probably should have put some perlite in there. And yeah, we got a whole bag of potatoes and then some. And I can't wait to show you guys my sweet potato harvest, because my sweet potato is doing great. Can't flip it over when I'm filming it like this, but it has a little bird shit on it, but it's doing great. It's running all down outside of the ground here. So see you in about 2, maybe 3 months to harvest that, because I started that in May or something, or maybe June. Anyway, so that was my potato harvest. I am so excited. I cannot wait to cook dinner with this. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe for more gardening, herbalism content and vlogs coming up here soon. I see a lizard in the distance. I'm gonna grab my potatoes and get the hell out of here. See you guys later.